Good morning for local news for Thursday, April 6th. The latest monthly QV price index shows that nationwide residential property values for March increased 12.9% over the past year. The southern Wairarapa towns that are closer to Wellington, such as Greytown or Featherston, have become increasingly popular destinations for home buyers, first-home buyers rather, who have been priced out of the Wellington market. The QV house price index for the wider Wellington region continues to rise, with home values up 21.2% year on year. Entries closed today for the Wellington Region Gold Awards. The awards seek businesses in the Wellington region who are top achievers. To enter, visit goldawards.co.nz. Excuse me. The remnants of Cyclone Debbie caused some disruption to the region yesterday, with Jones Place and Masterton suffering extremely bad flooding. Dalefield School was closed, along with Lansdowne Kindergarten, and Whareama School closed early due to rising waters. Surface flooding, paddocks turned to lakes, and several fire call-outs and road closures kept roading crews and emergency services busy. And in sports, Saturday we'll see the Waikato First 15 take on the Argentinian 15 at Memorial Park. Kick-off is 11 a.m. In football, Wairarapa United are away Saturday to Wellington Olympic, and in hockey, Dalefield men are at home to Harbour City, and the women's side are also at home to play Hutt. For local news and sport, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.